I don't even make videos like this, but I feel the need to let y'all know to stop eating McDonald's. Look what it did to my eyes. I kid you not. After work, I went to McDonald's. This is a Forster location in Texas. I went there. I had a McChicken and I had a large fry. I ate it before I went home. But when I arrived home, I went to the bathroom because I started feeling sick and I just started throwing up. I started throwing up and then all of a sudden my eyes looked like this. It started making me gag. I started just feeling so nauseous. It was horrible. I had some Alka-Seltzer, some water, and it was good after that. But this is what I'm left with, my eyes. This is after like a few days. Don't eat McDonald's no more. Like, it's unhealthy. Warning comes before destruction. People are telling you not to eat this stuff. Do not eat them no more. Like, I'm done. And I don't even eat McDonald's like this. But the fact that it did this to my eyes, like, come on now. Come on.